What's up everybody, it's MKBHD here and let's talk about the future. We've seen smartphone cameras evolve at an insane pace, better sensors, crazy zoom, portrait modes that somehow actually work. But Samsung might just be taking it to a whole new level. Imagine this, a phone that doesn't just take pictures, it flies. Welcome to the era of the Samsung drone camera phone. Rumors have been swirling about this thing and let me tell you, it's looking pretty wild. Imagine pulling out your phone and with a simple touch, a sleek, compact drone detaches. This isn't just a tiny drone with a camera strapped to it, this is a fully integrated system. Samsung is talking about a 400 megapixel main camera. 400 megapixels, that's DSLR level resolution, people. And it's not just about the megapixels, this thing is packed with tech. Think gimbal stabilization for buttery smooth footage even in windy conditions. And forget about fiddling with complicated drone controls, this thing is going to be all about intelligent flight modes. Imagine just selecting follow me and letting the drone capture you from cinematic angles while you're hiking, biking, whatever you're into. Now let's talk zoom. We've seen some impressive zoom lenses on smartphones, but this drone camera is rumored to have a crazy 60 times zoom. Not just digital zoom, but a combination of optical and digital, so you're not sacrificing detail. Think about that for a second. You could be standing on a mountaintop, capturing the vast landscape in all its glory. Or maybe you're at a concert, and you want to get a close-up shot of the artist on stage. This drone camera could make it happen. But the real game changer here is the perspective. We're talking about getting aerial shots that were previously impossible without a dedicated drone. Imagine capturing a sweeping panorama of the beach at sunset, or getting that perfect shot of your entire group of friends from way up high. This is next-level content creation, right in your pocket. And it's not just about taking pictures, the drone camera is going to shoot video too. And we're not talking about shaky, low-res footage. This is going to be high-quality, stabilized video that you can actually use for professional projects. Vlogging, filmmaking, you name it, this drone camera could change the game. Now, I know what you're thinking, controlling a drone with your phone sounds like a recipe for disaster. But Samsung has thought of that. They're talking about an intuitive control system that's integrated right into the phone's interface. Swipe to control the drone's movement, tap to take a picture, pinch to zoom. It's going to be that simple, and get this, you'll be able to see exactly what the drone sees in real time on your phone's screen. No more guessing where the drone is or what it's pointing at. You're seeing it all, live in high definition. And for those who want even more control, there will probably be options for manual adjustments and custom flight paths. This is a tool for everyone, from casual users to professional photographers and filmmakers. The possibilities are pretty much endless. Imagine using the drone camera to scout out locations for a photo shoot, or to get a unique perspective on a sporting event. You could even use it to check out traffic conditions before you leave the house. Section 4. Powering the future of flight. Of course, all this tech wouldn't mean much without a battery that can keep up. And from the rumors, it sounds like Samsung has cracked the code on that front too. We're hearing whispers of a massive 5,200 mAh battery in this thing. That's bigger than some tablet batteries, and it's packed into a device that fits in your pocket. And if that wasn't enough, the drone camera phone is rumored to come with 150-watt fast charging. That means you could potentially get a full charge in under an hour. No more waiting around for your drone to charge, you can just top it up and get back to capturing incredible footage. This combination of long battery life and fast charging is going to be a game changer for drone enthusiasts. No more carrying around bulky charging bricks or spare batteries. Section 5. Soaring to new heights with safety. Now I know what you're thinking, drones and safety don't always go hand in hand. But Samsung seems to be taking this aspect seriously. Rumors are suggesting the drone camera phone will be packed with sensors for obstacle avoidance. We're talking about advanced systems that can detect objects in real time and automatically adjust the drone's flight path to avoid collisions. This is crucial, not just for protecting the drone itself, but also for ensuring the safety of people and property. And it's not just about avoiding obstacles. Samsung is likely to include features like geofencing, which will allow users to set virtual boundaries for the drone's flight area. This will prevent the drone from straying into restricted airspace or flying too far away from the user. Of course, we'll have to wait for the official release to get the full picture of the safety features. But, from what we're hearing, Samsung is committed to making this drone camera phone as safe and user-friendly as possible. So, there you have it guys. The Samsung drone camera phone. It's a crazy concept, but it has the potential to revolutionize mobile photography and videography as we know it. What do you guys think? Are you excited about the future of mobile photography? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, thanks for watching.